Right, so here we are down the flying field. No unboxing or assembly or review of parts on this video because this is the new version of the SkySword 70mm EDF jet, but this is the new 6S version. So the version that myself, Al, who's on camera today, and James have been flying is the 4S version, which we thought went pretty well, didn't it, Al?
Yeah, absolutely.
Went off grass here pretty well, but I think some thought it was underpowered. So HobbyKing have listened to that feedback and they have upgraded this to a 6S system. So it's going to be interesting to see whether it flies any faster. Let's give it a go. Let's find out.
Rushing. Oh, squidge nose.
Way too far back.
It's got a lot more poke, isn't it? What's that noise? Where's the van? Walk of shame, Dominic. Walk of shame. So a bit of spit, that'll go back together, isn't it, Dom?
So I think the good thing is that it does fly faster. I don't think there's any doubt about that, is there, Al?
No, that was really sweet.
Plenty quicker, but it has more power, so the advice is to make sure that your lipo pack is fully restrained and doesn't move, because it shifted backwards. And for that whole flight I was having to hold in a lot of down. I had full down trim, and it was still wanting to climb a lot. So we'll buy another one and we'll have another go. I'm not giving up. We will be back. But it does fly a lot faster. Just unfortunate it didn't come back in one piece, but that is what happens sometimes.
Doesn't fly far.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Have you got a blooper?
What's that noise? Where's the van? Walk of shame, Dominic. Walk of shame.